So I'll tell you how to do a TNP correction for a chart. We are in luck because we are having a new chart that has come on board, and since this is a OA chart, I'll be doing the TNP. The first and most important thing what we need for doing TNP is the list of all the TNP in force. Before you watch this video, I will advise you to please watch the notice to Mariners video and the TNP book and file updation videos that I had uploaded earlier. This chart comes in section 17 of the TNP book. So to save time, I have already taken the chart number and found out which corrections are there for this chart. So since this is 1949, the corrections that need to be applied to this chart before navigation are 315 T bar 21. This is of the year 21. Next 1387 T bar 21 and 1434 T bar 21. You can see the chart number is written here and the correction is here. So the second mate should have already filed the TNP notice in the file, because this is a current year correction. The second mate will be filing it in a separate file, and all the old corrections would have been in the annual notice to Mariners book. So when we go to the file for this area of 17, this is the area 17. In the area 17 we should find out all the three corrections. First one is 315 T bar 21. So first correction is here, 315 T bar 21. Chart affected is 1949. This correction need to be done. Then the next correction will be 1387 1387. This is a second correction, and the next correction is 1434. This is the correction. So these three TNP need to be done and corrected on the chart, and the number should be written. So I will show you how to do the correction and how to write down the number on the chart. So these three corrections, 315 T bar 21, 1387 T bar 21 and 1434 T bar 21 had been done. What was done was, there were some buoys missing and unlit. You can see one was here. So since it has been done, we should try and avoid to write the TNP number also with the correction, because it just makes it difficult to see in the chart. So just write what is relevant. Once you finish that, since these three corrections were done, on the bottom part of the chart you will start a new correction log, T and P, and all the three numbers that you had done correction would be written down. First one was 315 T bar 21. Next is 1387 T bar 21. Next is 1434 T bar 21. This is how a TNP is done. So whenever you have any change, you will just go to this TNP notice. You will find what is in the book or in your file. If there is a change, you will just erase this number and erase the correction. So it will be very easy for you to update your chart. And please remember, TNP notice is normally done for the voyage charts, because a lot of correction keeps coming, and if you try to correct all the charts it will be very difficult. So we try and do it only for the voyage charts, and basically that is good enough. I hope you found this video useful.